Hello guys, welcome to this video. Today we are going to examine yet another ground for judicial review. This ground is known as irrelevancy. So what is irrelevancy? Simply put, in legal context, irrelevancy is where a decision making body considers a matter which it ought not to consider in arriving at a decision. So it simply means that the considerations that this body takes is not really the considerations that it ought to take. So we also have to note that the use of the word consideration here is a bit different from the way like in the actual meaning that it wants to convey. In legal terms, especially in the context of contract law, we talk about consideration as something of legal value, but here we are talking about something in the context of administrative law. So you have to note in this case whereby we are talking about considering is about more of choosing, or about making a free choice. This is the context whereby we are using consideration in this context. I think it is very, very important that I make this clarification because in law it is very, very important to be specific and correct, especially in the use of terminologies. So we have said that the first instance of irrelevancy is where a decision making body considers a matter which it ought not to consider in arriving at a decision. So for example, if I go and apply for a license, maybe to establish a beauty salon, and I am male, then I am denied that license on that basis, then that is irrelevancy. This kind of body will be guilty or liable for what we call irrelevancy. So secondly, in another case of irrelevancy is where an administrative body disregards something which it ought to consider in making a decision. Hereby, here in this context, we talked about consider as choosing and not something of legal value. Please keep that in the back of your mind. So where an administrative body disregards something which it ought to consider in making a decision, then it has acted in one way or the other in an irrelevant manner. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe.